We do authentic Italian food. We are from Roma. We have authentic dishes and authentic pizza romana. We come up every day with different ideas, different specials for our customers to let them know the authenticity of the Italian cuisine.
Our pizza is thin crust, crispy, wood-fired oven. We do like Roman style, so it's a little different from the Napoletana style. We have fun with that. We've been making pizza here for about 15 years. It's an honest product and, you know, we do what we love to do.
We are so proud of our pizza, we are so proud of our carbonara, of our matriciana. Yeah. That's what we love to do. And that's what we like to introduce to our customers, to our beautiful people. Most of our products are coming straight from Italy.
I think it's just like a down-to-earth place where you can come hang out, get some good food, be loud, talk with your friends. Nothing fancy, very casual.
La Parolaccia means bad language. There is a very famous restaurant in Trastevere in Rome named La Parolaccia.
But I think that's where you used to play when you were little, right? That's where
I used to go to Trastevere and play soccer and go over there. So the restaurant was always there. Say, I wish one day I'm going to have my own restaurant somewhere. And that happened. That happened here, and I'm very happy. Ci vediamo presto. Ciao.